Hello everyone and welcome back to the Circle Military Frequency. The Sikorsky Boeing SB-1 Defiant is the Sikorsky Aircraft and Boeing entry for the United States Army's Future Vertical Lift program, succeeding the Joint Multi-Role (JMR) initiative. It is a compound helicopter with rigid coaxial rotors, powered by two Honeywell T55 turboshaft engines. It first flew on 21 March 2019. Sikorsky Aircraft and Boeing are jointly producing a medium lift-size demonstrator they named SB-1 Defiant, also widely known as SB-1, for Phase 1 of the program. Originally planned to fly in late 2017, its first flight was delayed in April 2017 to early 2018. Once flight testing begins, the aircraft will be evaluated by the Army for further development. Sikorsky is leading the development of Phase 1 with an aircraft based on their previous Sikorsky X2 design. Defiant X variant. In January 2021, Sikorsky Boeing announced the Defiant X variant, specifically designed for the Future Long-Range Assault Aircraft program. In February 2022, Sikorsky Boeing picked Honeywell's new HDS 7500 engine, a derivative of the Honeywell T55 engine that powered the SB-1 demonstrator, as the power plant. In March 2022, Sikorsky Boeing has selected Collins Aerospace to provide all three seating platforms and its Paragon as flight control computer. Design. Sikorsky and Boeing state the design is to have a cruise speed of 250 knots, 460 km/h, but less range due to using the old T55 engine. A new engine, the Future Affordable Turbine Engine, FAT, is to meet the radius requirement of 229 mi, 424 kilometers. Compared to conventional helicopters, the counter-rotating coaxial main rotors and pusher propeller offer a 100-knot, 185 km/h speed increase, a 60% combat radius extension, and 50% better performance in high-hot hover operations. Sikorsky has said that the X2 design is not suitable for heavy lift size, and instead suggests the CH-53K for heavy lift and tiltrotor for the Ultra class. However, Sikorsky plans to build the 30,000-pound class, 14,000 kilograms, JNRTD, with a cabin 50% larger than the Black Hawk, at full scale to remove doubts about the scalability of the X2 technology. Sikorsky Boeing states the SB-1 will be quick and nimble, with fast acceleration and deceleration, fast side-to-side movement, and the capability to hover with the tail up and nose down. The Defiant demonstrator will be powered by the Honeywell T55, which powers the CH-47 Chinook. It will be slightly modified to better operate at slower propeller speeds, down to 85% run. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content.